Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2019 Hideout from Keystone. This is a model 29 DFS. It's a bunkhouse travel trailer with slide out. Very unique floor plan. In fact, this one took the best of show in the 2018 Indiana show. So we'll go inside and check out some of those features. But now on the outside, let's check it out. We see the power hitch jack, diamond shield, yep, 3-year warranty, best of show sticker. And of course, the big H on his chest, that signifies this is a Hideout. It has jacks on all 4 corners, oversized compartments, so you can get those big coolers in there, keep your camping gear high and dry. 2 entry doors, so if you do you want to use the bathroom or something, you can come in without waking up the kids if they're in their bunk beds. We've got a big awning out here that covers the porch area, as well as the second entry door. And here's something unique. What do we have here? This compartment. Open her up, and an electric fireplace. Outside, you might ask? Well, in Oregon in the summertime, there's no fires. So if you want an ambient fire by your campsite, now you can. It's got the step above steps. These things are really solid. If you're outside cooking, you always have to go inside to get your condiments. Well, now you don't have to. You can keep them right here. You know, the mustard, the mayonnaise, the ketchup, that sort of thing. We also have a cook station out here and more storage. Around the back side, we've got the ladder, rear bumper, also an outside shower, spare tire, full extension slide. Notice how far it comes out. Let's take a look inside. There's the model 29 DFS. WE stands for the Western edition. And we step in, and just to our left we see the bunk beds here. We've got outlets as well as lights for each individual bunk. These are double bunks, so you can sleep 2 kids to a bunk. Bathroom here in the corner. It's got the sink, vanity. There's our tub, skylight overhead, power exhaust vent, and our toilet. Notice the plank style flooring, kind of cool look to the trailer. And inside here, big slide out, features the sofa, a U-shaped dinette booth with storage underneath, and this also makes into a bed. So we got guests sleeping here, stack them up, 2, 4, 5 or 6, 7 or 8, plus 2 up front. Look at this big TV, wowza. It's got the fireplace inside as well as one outside, as well as, I shouldn't forget, labels coming off here, but we have a built-in vacuum system too. Here's the cool thing about this, why it won best of show. It's not the ambient lights behind, it's the secret compartment. Ooh, ah. Look at all that storage. Now if the kids are in their bunk, look what you can do here. The kid movies, it's all for them. So then you can close her right back up again. It's held in place with magnets. Bang, snap shut. Got the Jensen AM FM CD DVD, and I'm sure Bluetooth somewhere here, wherever the button is. Jensen television, that's the big Jensen. That's their sticker right there. Brushed aluminum on the refrigerator freezer combination. Got a Furrion oven, which also has a 3-burner stove on top. Backsplash there, which is also ambiently lighted up. Microwave over the top. Ambient lights in all of our cupboards. You can turn those off if you don't want the lights on. Plywood drawers, metal ball bearing roller guides. Solid surface countertop that actually is a composite, so it's not going to be brittle. You don't have to worry about cracking it, breaking it, that sort of thing. We got stainless steel farmer style sink with the gooseneck fountain. And then on to the bedroom. Here we have a queen size walk around bed with wardrobes on both sides, plug-in outlets on both sides, storage overhead, your own exit entry door, and additional storage above and below. So best of show could be your trailer this season. You'll find it right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.